Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the recap. Sorry I didn't make a recap on Monday. It's just been busy, and I might not make recaps every day now. I'm gonna try to. I'm just getting more busy with a lot of other stuff, and I want to spend more time in reviewing my trades, like individual trades. So hopefully I just have a chance to make recaps every day. But let's see what goes on, right? So. Anyway, but yesterday I finished at like 107, so it was a green day. So that was good, starting the New Year's off with the green day. And today, let's go with the watch list. So today I was watching SYN, CHEK from yesterday, ZSAN, ALRN, CYTH. I mean, it was a big list today, MRKR as well. But today I traded BYFC was also on the list as well. PLG, UAVS, ALRN, and SYN CERC. So about like 4 stocks, I guess you can say. So if I pull up the chart, let's say, let me pull up CERC. That one, let me see. I was looking for this break, but it never happened. It looked kind of strong, but so I was looking for this break right here, for this whole dollar area right here, and it never happened. So I just got out pretty much for like 2-cent loss, something like that, something very tiny. So that was that. But if it would have happened, I think it would have been a big move. But anyway, so that didn't happen, and then I had a good trades today, actually. So, for example, BYFC, I think this one, I got chopped out, and then it went literally right after. And I can show you real quick as well. BYFC right here. I wanted to get in for this break of this area right here, 228. So I got in as it was about to break, and it kind of flushed. So I got out, and they literally came back. And when made higher highs all the way to 245. So that could have been a good move, but it's all good. You can't obviously be right 100% of the time. And then what else I had? And then I got in UAVS 580, got up 578, and then got in again at 581. This is where I saw a big bid that just came in. So it was just the right idea, but wrong timing. But then I got in again as soon as I saw that bid. And then got out at 589. And from that spot, it went all the way to like 6 something. So I was looking at, let's see here, I was looking at this area right here, right? So I got in around here, it broke and it came back down. That's when when I got out. And then around this area right here, big bid came and it just went up, took off from there. And then got out around like 589. Got a little bit early because this candle was very strong. So definitely that was a good move. And then I was trying to see if I can get in. I think if I would have saw this stock here, I would have got in here again at 608 because this looks like it was a good pattern as well, this area right here. So that's good. But I missed that part. So let me remove that. And then what else? PLG. I got picked out, I believe, a couple of times. I got in at 540 and then got out 538. ALRN, I got in at 130 and then got out at 137. So that was good. Let me see if I can pull up ALRN. So ALRN, it was around this 130. Let's see. This area right here. So I got it for the break of this area right here and then sold some on the way up. Pretty much it was the top I sold, so which was good. And then right now PLG is actually setting up. I don't think I'm going to take the trade. That's a big seller at 6. But anyways, so let's continue. So SYN definitely was the big mover of the day today. I got in 117, bought some at 120. So 120 I was full position and then got out at 128. So that was good. Good move as well. And then PLG I scalped it for a cent. And then kind of like the level 2 was looking weak, but as soon as I got out, it went up. It's part of trading, I guess. So SYN again, 119, 120. It was a little bit choppy, and then got in again, and then got at 125. And then CERC was my loss, the last trade I took. So today I'm finishing up 252, which is good. And definitely a good day today. So if we pull up SPY, and let's just see how SPY performed. Oh, so that makes sense. SPY definitely did good today. And let's check out the daily chart. Yeah, so we may be in a consolidation period, I think, for a few more days. And then we may take off somewhere, either up or down, but let's see. PLG could set up maybe for the break of 6 or something. Right now it's just around 595, but maybe for the 6 it could set up. But I'm not gonna take it. I think I'm happy with the P&L I have today. I don't want to give anything away. I just think that a lot of volume is dying down right now. So because of that, I don't think I'm gonna take it. So as you can tell, there's a big seller at 6, right? So 6 breaks, we can get a good move. But then I just feel like this stock's been an uptrend all day today. So I'm thinking this needs to like come back down, at least retrace a little bit. It's just, I feel like a lot of shorts are going to be looking into this more now than longs. So it's based on that psychology. So that's it from me. I will see you guys tomorrow. And make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.